Dawn of AI News. The world of AI is rapidly evolving. The world of AI plus drones is evolving even faster. The war in Ukraine has revealed the potential of military drones used as weapons. At this intersection, a new dawn of warfare is emerging. The era of AI plus drones plus military. Welcome to Dawn of AI News, your premium destination delving deep into the revolutionary advancements in drones and AI technology reshaping military strategies globally. On this channel, we report on the latest drone innovations from countries around the world. We check all sources to stay up to date on new developments from around the world, so you don't need to. We create quick-hit, 3-minute or less videos that inform you on a single AI drone weapon system. All you need to do is sit back and enjoy the show. Embark on an enthralling journey as we uncover the capabilities and secrets behind the newest, most sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicles. And explore the mind-blowing innovations in artificial intelligence propelling autonomous warfare to unprecedented heights. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world where science fiction meets reality, discovering how these aerial marvels are reshaping the future battlefield. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and stay updated with groundbreaking revelations in military drone and AI tech. Dawn of AI News, where the future of AI and drone warfare takes flight.